Greetings, WASP. My name is Geeta. I am very pleased to meet you. In this video, I will show some of the technical capabilities of the Telegram bot OSO. Let's start with registration. OSO can be registered only by the referral link of the OSO partner. After clicking on the link, you launch the bot into operation. The bot will provide you with all the information in order to move on. You will find both a presentation and a short instruction here. Read them if you haven't viewed them before. You can visit the Telegram channel of the OSO system, where you can get acquainted with the full functionality of the bot. Further, according to the terms of the system, you need to get acquainted with your sponsors. This example demonstrates one sponsor, but most often there will be 5 sponsors. Your task is to get acquainted with their business proposals and write personal messages to each of them in Telegram. At the beginning of such a message, specify the keyword WASP. This way your sponsor will know what a member of his bot structure is writing to him and will definitely respond to such messages. Do not send your business proposals to sponsors in a dating message. This will not increase your chances of getting to know each other, and the sponsor will definitely ignore it. There is a niche in the bot for your business proposal. This is information about yourself. Now fill in the information about yourself or your business proposal that you need to promote using our system. If you have it ready, just paste your text here and send a message to the bot. If you do not have a text with your business proposal at hand, use, for example, this text option. Members of your structure will write welcome messages to you, and after meeting you will have the opportunity to tell them about your business in personal correspondence. In addition, you can change the text of information about yourself at any time. Here you need to understand that information about yourself and business offers are the same thing. Some partners promote a personal brand, while others promote a company. Therefore, this is a universal approach to the name of this information. We have finished with the design and go to the main menu of the bot to get acquainted with its functionality. We will move the buttons from top to bottom. The essence of the OS button opens a short video where I talk about the most important things in the system. Be sure to listen to this information and try to understand it. The instruction settings support button will open under the menu where you will find rules and instructions. Be sure to read this information. It will help you to use the OSO system correctly and effectively. Here you can change the language of the bot. The bot fully supports several communication languages. And also automatically translate your business proposal into all languages that the bot supports. After that, you will be able to check the texts and, if necessary, edit each of the translations. Let's move on. Account protection. Add email. Here you will be able to verify your email, which in the future will allow you to restore access to your bot account, even if you lose your Telegram account. Try to use Gmail.com mail. Verification is the simplest. Send mail to the bot following the instructions. He will send a verification code to this address, which will need to be sent in a message to the bot. After that, your mail is linked to your OSO system account. The next button is to enable monetization. This function becomes possible after you have the first invited partner. But you can always visit the Treat community channels and study the information about monetization of your structure in advance. Go back to the main menu. And next in line with us, one of its most important buttons is My Referral Link. Study the information slowly. This is the best approach to its effective application. In addition to the referral link, you will also find examples of advertising texts and illustrations for posts on social networks that you can use to accompany your advertising texts. The name of the Edit Information About Yourself button fully conveys its content. The button to display information about sponsors will provide you with information packages of your higher-level partners. The Personally Invited Partners section will provide you with quite extensive functionality for working and communicating with your first line of the bot structure. There is also a button under the menu that will display a package of information about you, containing the number of partners you have invited, the points you have earned in the OSO system, and the content of your business proposal. Similar information is output by the My Chat team. If you send a message to the chatbot with one word "my," the bot will display the same information as the button, adding its recommendations to it. The most important word from the list of chat commands is the menu, which calls the main menu from anywhere in the bot, the header of which contains a list of all the words of the chat commands of the bot. Therefore, it is enough to remember only the menu word from this list, so that at any time you can get the entire list of chat commands. The next item on the main menu is Reviews. Here you can leave your feedback about the bot and see the reviews of other participants of the OSO system. If you leave your feedback, write what you like in the bot and what you don't like. I pass all the feedback to the management and, thanks to this, the bot is getting better. The OSO dating menu section provides an opportunity to leave your contact for the entire bot audience. But there are limitations here. This section is only available to OSO partners who have managed to invite at least 2 people to the bot. The first item, from the so-called personal assistants, I will tell you about the section Plan Success. This is a task scheduler. It can also serve as an online notebook. You can leave notes for today and tomorrow, or plan your actions for these days. These entries can be edited. And the History button allows you to view your records for a certain date. I imagine the next assistant is an interpreter of voice messages to text. This function is not presented in the menu, but it is there. You can send voice messages to the bot, and the bot will return their text versions to you. For example, "Welcome to our hospitable Telegram bot." Thus, you can dictate advertising texts, and then just edit them by placing punctuation marks, which should significantly reduce the load on your eyes and the time spent working on the text. With this function, you can even call the main menu. Tap on the microphone and say, "Menu," and it will come to you. And finally, the most interesting and comprehensive assistant is the JP Chat. He will help to place punctuation marks in the text we'll offer. He can tell you everything you ask. But this is a separate topic for conversation. I think I have already tired you. I have not told you everything about the functionality of the bot, but I tried to show the most important aspects of it. Let Vasa be your help. See you again and all the best.